Here we are today at Derwent Reservoir. Come for a little bit of a wander out. There's the visitor centre bit back there. Just waiting for Julie, and then we're going to go for a wander. Get a cup of tea and then go for a wander. I was going to bring Henrietta, but more petrol in this one. So we're just walking through the wooded part near Derwent Visitor Centre and I've not seen any signs of trolls yet. Stop laughing. Serious business, trolls.
Sorry.
Yeah, I mean there is a watery part down there which trolls could be using for something. But it's not big enough to be like a bath or a swimming pool or anything. It could be a giant urinal. Another thing that you might see here in a second that you might mistakenly assume that what it is a reservoir wall, a dam wall. But there's another more I was going to say sinister, but there's nothing sinister about having a clean bottom. I'm pretty sure most creatures upon God's green earth would love to have a clean bottom after they've had a poop skate. But I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This here, you might think it's a dam wall, but what that is, that's a bottom cleaner for a troll. So the trolls would stand at the bottom here and rest their buttocks against the wall there, and that would give them a nice clean bum. So they'd go around somewhere in the woods here having a poop, and then go and clean the bum on there before they disappear off, probably up this path up here through them trees. So yeah, there you go, that's what that is. These reservoirs are artificial lakes made by building the dams across Derwent River. They were created to supply water to Derbyshire, Nottingham, Leicester and Sheffield, and also clean the buttocks of trolls. I added that last bit, but it's true. Just think of all the lovely clean troll bottoms. Plus, this wasn't just used to clean troll bottoms. There's been many animals that clean their bottoms in water throughout history. But don't ask me to name any. Water really is one of the most relaxing noises. Yes, on this boat from the little this coast. Just consider the immense cleaning power of this water and how big a troll's arse must be to need this amount of cleaning to get to this, this amount of power to get clean. Trolls' arses must be really, really, really dirty. That's a perfect spot for toilet paper. As we ascend the stairs up the side of the troll bottom cleaning apparatus, you will notice just how large it is, giving you an idea of the scale of a troll's bottom and how tall they are in real life. We seem to have stopped with some sort of obstruction in the highway right here. Carry on, see where we get to. As you can see, if I do that, still very large. So it just goes to show how big trolls are, because they're obviously real. They are. Of course, it's not just not trolls, not only trolls that used to clean themselves down there. There's lots of other things going on as well. So here you can see the the apparatus from the top. So it wasn't just bottoms that trolls like to keep clean. It's the whole of themselves. And this is a typical example of a troll communal bath that you might not have even realised was a bath. So all the trolls would just gather around from the surrounding areas, plonk themselves down in there and have a good old clean. And then the other trolls obviously could wash the bumbers with the dirty bath water then. If you give you a closer look, you can see it's not completely clean. On there you can tell it's bath water, look. And there's a little overflow as well. And if on a good day you can see the plug holes as well. So that's it, yeah, it's a troll bath that you didn't even What?
You didn't say anything?
Oh. I thought someone said something about a troll. What? Have you seen a troll? I think we might have seen a troll.
It's a secret.
Oh, it's a secret there, so we can't tell you.
Secret troll.
Secret troll. Secret trolls?
Yeah.
I think she's making that up. Some ducks. Ducks are not trolls. Here we have some things. Julie has an idea of what they are, don't you, Julie? No, she doesn't. I think, and you can tell me, Julie, whether you think I'm right or wrong, but these are quite obviously soap holders for the trolls. So they'd like pick the soap up from here before they go up there to have a bath. So this is where they keep all the toiletries and stuff. Does that sound right?
It sounds very plausible.
It does, doesn't it? Julie has just pointed out to me that there's another troll footprint here. I was too busy looking at the trees over there to see if I could see any troll tails, but there's a troll footprint here, look, compared to my foot again. Very big. And then there's another one down here, where it's obviously a troll with a limp, maybe, a bad leg. Has been dragging its leg down here, like here, which would be quite believable as to why this troll's probably spent lots of time in the bath trying to soothe its injured leg, and before retreating back off into the woods down there, and to live his life in his little troll house somewhere in the middle of this foresty area. It's probably too old for troll book though. Across an interesting thing in the middle of here. It appears to be that there's some sort of tree protection force in operation. There's this thing here that says plant safe, which I can only assume is to sort of guard the trees from trolls and make sure they don't sort of destroy too many of them while they're going about the daily trolley business. It's got to be that. I can't think of anything else that plant safe could be, to be honest. Bloody hell, that's a big beaver. Another thing about trolls, I don't know whether you can see this thing here, is part of a bridge. So there used to be a bridge running straight across here, but they got rid of the bridge because people were getting killed because there was trolls hiding under it, because trolls love bridges. They could be quite keen on civil engineering and that sort of thing. So yeah, they got rid of the bridge to try and stop sort of troll attacks and such like. It's not funny. People died. People died from getting attacked by trolls, and you're finding it amusing. Despicable. I'm not bringing her next time. She keeps laughing at very somber moments. failed to bring my troll signalling apparatus today, so I've not tried to attract any trolls like I did the last time we were out. I don't think we're going to have a chance meeting for one either, because there seems to be quite a few people about. And I've seen a couple of dogs, and you remember about the sheep grazing thing. They're trying to stay away from dogs and such like, so yeah, I don't think we'll see any trolls today, but we've seen at least a landmark that you wouldn't have thought was troll related, but now you know what the secondary use for them is. So there you go. So hopefully next time we'll manage to see some sort of troll, even if it's just a toe or something to give concrete evidence that they do exist and they are around. So there you go. Until next time, stay safe from trolls, because they're real.